we'll guide you through how to export a Figma file. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project on your desktop. Navigate to the file you want to export. Once you have it open, look towards the top left corner and click on the Figma logo. This will drop down a menu where you need to select File and then Export. You'll see options to export different frames or layers. Select the ones you wish to export. On the right-hand side, a panel will appear where you can set your export preferences. Choose the format you need, like PNG, JPG, or SVG, by clicking the drop-down menu. You can also adjust the scale if you need a different size. Once you've set your preferences, click on the Export button next to each asset. Figma will then download the files to your computer. If you want to export everything all at once, you can select all the layers or frames by holding down the Shift key and clicking on them, and then export them together. This is especially useful if you're working on a large project with multiple elements. Remember to check each file to make sure the quality and format are as expected. Exporting is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it allows you to share your designs easily with clients or team members. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.